Hey guys, Irene here. Today, I'll be opening a Sanrio Hello Kitty mystery snack box I found on Amazon for $37.78. One of our models will be tasting and reviewing the snacks in an upcoming video. Let's take a look. I'm super excited. Who doesn't like Hello Kitty? Super cute box. And it's Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty wafer cookies, green tea flavor. Oh, super cute, a little print of Hello Kitty. Cookies of some sort. This appears to be strawberry flavor. Lot pie, chocolate coated pie with Hello Kitty. I like Hello Kitty. Not 100% sure what we have here. Oh, yay. It's candy. Looks cocoa, so it would be chocolate candy. Fun. Thankfully, we have these notes on the back. We have candy, which is grape gummy. And Kit Kat. Sake flavor. Looks like 2 of those. Little cookies, looks like we have 2 of those. Oh, one got broken. Super excited. Pineapple flavor. Carbonated soft drink. Wonder if these are spicy. It's in red. Oh, no cheat sheet to tell us what they are. I'm curious if they're a spicy or a hot flavor. Ooh, ice cream cone. Strawberry soft marshmallow candy. Ooh, biscuits with strawberry cream. Hello Kitty. Those look fun. Another Hello Kitty biscuits with chocolate cream. Oh, Hello Kitty is so cute. Ooh. One more of the Kit Kats. Oh, even another Kit Kat. Oh, another Kit Kat. All the same flavor. Mini pack. A wheat cracker. That'll be fun. Nothing else in the box. Grape soda. And chocolate cookies. So this is $37.78. Amazon Prime, so it's pretty quick to get it delivered. Obviously, I'm super excited about all the Hello Kitty snacks. So one of our models will be reviewing and tasting these Hello Kitty themed snacks in one of our upcoming videos. Any suggestions on boxes you'd like to see me open and have a model review? Let us know in the comments, and I'll see you soon.